So hello guys, this is Geeky Intellectual. So today I am going to show you guys how you can put your own music in K5. So first choose the song you want to put in your K5 radio and copy it. Then go to Documents and click on Rockstar Games, and in Rockstar Games open K5 folder and in it open User Music folder. In it paste the music you want to play in K5 radio. So I am going to open K5 and wait for it to load. Then open GTA 5 and go to Setting, and in Setting go to Audio. Change the auto scan for music to on and end. Change your radio to self radio and you are done. Now you can play your own music in K5. Thanks for watching this video and subscribe my channel for more quality content.